Here's another one of our rescue birds. This is Rambo. You'll know Rambo from some of the earlier videos. He's the one that lost a strip of his wing from a cat attack about 2.5 years ago. We had him in care for, how long was he in care for?
18 months.
18 months in one of the cages. And he's a permanent resident. He comes in every morning, takes off every evening. And only the last couple of days he's actually started coming over like this to eat on the fence. It's taken him well over 2 years to gain all of that extra confidence. Whereas Lopsy's a long bill, this is a short bill. Pretty timid, but Evelyn can feed him, hand feed him a piece of corn. Beautiful bird, very intelligent. Very timid. He's going to go around. He'll stand up to some other birds, but not to others. Yeah, there he goes. Now he'll go off to his normal posse probably.